Suzuki just took the RMZ legacy from dirt to the streets, and the result is absolutely wild. The 2026 RMZ 1050 is here, bringing motocross DNA to a whole new platform. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're checking out Suzuki's bold move with the RMZ 1050, a bike that's rewriting the rulebook. Design. Let's dive into design. Suzuki has translated motocross aggression into street-ready style. Sharp bodywork, angular lines, and an aggressive front fascia command attention. The distinctive yellow livery with bold graphics pays tribute to Suzuki's racing heritage. A high-mounted exhaust, knobby tire-inspired wheel design, and compact proportions give it an athletic, ready-to-attack appearance. The upright riding position and sculpted seat ensure comfort without sacrificing that race-bred attitude. Performance. Performance is where Suzuki RMZ 1050 truly excites. The 1050cc inline twin engine pumps out approximately 130 horsepower with explosive acceleration. This isn't your typical street bike. It delivers power with urgency and precision. Throttle response is razor-sharp, mimicking that instant motocross feel. The lightweight chassis and sport-tuned suspension create exceptional agility. Cornering feels effortless, and the bike changes direction with minimal effort. Braking performance is outstanding, with strong stopping power that inspires confidence. Features and technology. Technology and features are comprehensive. A vibrant TFT display offers multiple customizable screens. 3 riding modes adjust power delivery for different conditions. Quick shifter technology enables clutchless shifting. Traction control and ABS provide essential safety. Smartphone connectivity allows music control and call management seamlessly. Conclusion. The 2026 Suzuki RMZ 1050 successfully bridges motocross spirit with street performance. It's unconventional, thrilling, and uniquely Suzuki. Love what you're seeing? Hit that like button and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more motorcycle reviews. Comment below with your take on this radical Suzuki. Share this video with your riding crew. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next review.